Way long.
Oh, well. If it isn't the great Detective CAMTASIA. To what do I owe this pleasant surprise? I'm sure you didn't come all this way just to see our little holiday celebration.
This reporter's name is Lisbeth.
Hot.
She disappeared 2 days ago.
It's too bad I never got to see her with my own eyes. Did any of you see her?
Never saw her, boss.
You hear that? Now if there's nothing else, piss off.
Her co-workers say that you're the last person she interviewed.
I said you can piss off.
You may have heard. We're investigating a murder involving several of your people. If you don't cooperate, I can move this up the chain. Then come back with a search warrant and take you down. If we do it that way, I'm afraid your extravagant parade of Pinate might hit a few snags.
Screw you! You think you can threaten me on my own turf? Don't think I forgot about our grudge from 5 years ago. Who do you think you are? You're just a petty detective. What the hell are you all looking at? Put the word out. Whoever kills him gets a 500K reward.
Don't shoot. CAMTASIA. I'm a cyborg, actually. The name's Funk, and I'm a black market dealer. I know Dave Ray from your office.
You know Dave? How?
I have a store at the North Whitetown Market.
What? Nice one.
Fuck, that hurts.
I was so close. You motherfucker!
Fucking idiot! Damn, that's... Man down! Man down!
Fucking idiot! Fucking move! Fucking idiot!